Tired of having a website that feels like a digital brochure, flat, lifeless, and easy for visitors to click away from? What if instead you could greet them with a friendly video pop-up, guide them, capture their email, or even collect a quick video testimonial, all without expensive tools or coding? That's exactly what FacePop is built for. FacePop is a video pop-up widget that makes your website interactive, engaging, and conversion-focused. Think of it as your digital face-to-face connection with visitors, whether you're a small business, an agency, or a solo creator. And right now, it's available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, so instead of paying monthly, you can unlock it forever with a one-time purchase. One of my favorite parts about FacePop is how it handles calls to action. You can use video pop-ups to guide people toward booking an appointment, joining your email list, or making a purchase right at the moment they're most interested. It's not just a video, it's an interactive experience designed to convert. Next up, lead capture. FacePop integrates with tools you probably already use, like MailChimp, Google Sheets, and Sendinblue. So the leads you collect flow directly into your system. That means less manual exporting, fewer headaches, and more focus on growing your business. Social proof sells, and FacePop makes it simple to collect video reviews from customers. Visitors can record and submit feedback right through the widget, and everything is organized in one dashboard. You can then showcase those testimonials on your site to build trust and credibility instantly. Here's the best part. Normally, tools like VideoAsk or Vimeo charge you recurring monthly fees. With this AppSumo lifetime deal, you pay once and use FacePop forever. For $49, you get one workspace, or for $98, you unlock unlimited seats and workspaces, perfect if you're running multiple sites or managing clients. If you're ready to turn your website into an interactive conversion-driving machine, FacePop is worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab the lifetime deal while it's still live. Because let's face it, your website shouldn't just look good. It should connect, engage, and convert.